Oh hi, didn't see you there. So you're interested making Maxi translucent skirt? Then I can show you how. Keep watching! To make Maxi translucent skirt, you will need elastic band in matching color as fabric for skirt. Of course, translucent fabric in color of your choice. I pick up in black color because it's multifunctional color and it's easy to match with other colors. Scissors, thread and needle, as well as dressmaker pins. And for extra safety and to make things faster, I will use sewing machine. First, measure how long elastic band will be needed by placing it around the waist in desirable height. I'm going for high waist skirt. Make sure that band feels comfortable on waist and also add a little spacing between band and the waist, depending how thick you want your skirt to be. Second step, measure skirt's height by placing fabric on the same place where you measured elastic band. Remember that you need a double width from elastic band and add about 2 cm spacing for stitching. Really important is to keep industrially processed edges intact, so the skirt looks more professionally made. Next, mark excess fabric with dressmaker pins so it's easier to cut a straight line. Take elastic band and fold top edge of fabric over it, as well as leave that extra 2 cm spacing for stitching. Pin it down and sew up with contrasting color thread. For skirt strain, I'm going over with sewing machine, leaving approximately 20 cm from the end not sewn. Again, that depends how thick you want your skirt to be, because that side will go over the beginning, creating split effect. After sewing up biggest part of skirt, just run elastic band in the sewed top edge, then sew together measured elastic band. And now starts the hardest part, making the split. Basically, you need smooth out evenly fabric on elastic band, so the sewed beginning and the end touches together. The non-sewed piece of fabric you need to fold evenly over the beginning, so it creates double layer of fabric. When all looks evenly, then go over with sewing machine. And the skirt is ready! I hope you enjoyed this video and that you are holding your own Maxi translucent skirt in your hands right now. So thank you for watching and see you in the next time. Bye!